On this call, the complaint was a ball of ice on the refrigerant lines coming out of the air handler. I've definitely seen worse filters, but this is certainly not helping.
Well, for this unit, doesn't look like my standard Z manifold setup is going to fit, so it's time to break out the Extendo Z-Man right here. That is part of the super secret giveaway Z-Man setup. Well, it looks like a low refrigerant charge aggravated by a filthy filter, like we saw, would definitely cause some freezing.
Look up inside the air handler coil. Shows us that we've still got some significant ice buildup, which is definitely aggravating the readings for the refrigerant pressures. So we're going to switch it to heat and get that coil to thaw out. It's dumping water. Can't say it's not. Running in heating, we should see quite a bit higher pressure than what we're getting right now. We got it thawed out, and this is going to be what I call good enough for the project. I'm going to recommend a replacement.